Hello, welcome to Anglè sans redi. Pa bliye, depi ou tombe sou channel sa ou la kayo. Let's jump!
How does she feel today? How does she feel today? Comment li sentil jodi ya? I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat. Mwen pa vle manje. Please lend me your pen. Please lend me your pen. Tan pri, prete m bikou wa. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Mwen pa vle ale. She doesn't want to come. She doesn't want to come. Li pa vle vini. I didn't have anything to say yet. I didn't have anything to say yet. Mwen poko te gen anyen pou mdi. It's getting better than yesterday. It's getting better than yesterday. Li komanse ap pi bon pase ye. Your English is getting better now. Your English is getting better now. Anglè ou komanse ap pi bon kon ya. What were you doing? What were you doing? Ki sa ou tap fe? I didn't see you. I didn't see you. Mwen pa te we ou. I was playing soccer. I was playing soccer. Mwen tap jwe boule. When did you try to do that again? When did you try to do that again? Ki le ou te ese fe sa anko? Why I'm trying to speak? Why I'm trying to speak? Pendant ma ese parler. I see my English is getting better. I see my English is getting better. Mwen we anglais mwen komanse a pi bon. When did you practice English? When did you practice English? Ki le ou te pratike anglais? Is there someone else? Is there someone else? Eske li gen lot moun anko? No one else. No one else. Person anko. Nobody else. Nobody else. Ken moun anko? Nobody can do it better than you. Nobody can do it better than you. Person pa ka fe li pi bien pase ou. Someone else can try it again. Someone else can try it again. Yon lot moun ka eseye li anko. When did you go? When did you go? Ki le ou te ale? That is the first thing. That is the first thing. Sa se premier bagay. That's interesting. That's interesting. Sa interesant.